Have you ever looked at your bedroom and thought, something still feels missing? Because sometimes your furniture already looks good, but the room still feels a little flat or unfinished. And most of the time, the problem isn't your furniture. It's usually the smaller details people forget, like wall treatments, lighting layers, styling tricks, and how different elements connect together. So in this makeover, let's go through 6 bedroom hacks that can instantly make your room feel more complete, more put together, and simply better to look at. And the best part? Most of these ideas don't require major renovation. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Hack number 1. Peel and stick panels. Let's start with your wall treatment, because this is one of the fastest ways you can make your room feel more designed and visually complete. In your before setup, you already have a white study desk, floating wood shelves, and greenery. But because the wall behind the desk stays completely flat, the setup still feels visually unfinished. The furniture already looks good on its own, but the wall isn't helping create depth. So the area lacks texture, layering, and a stronger focal point. So here's what changed. Vertical peel and stick fluted wall panels were added behind the desk. Instead of one flat surface, the grooves now create shadows and dimension that instantly make the workspace feel more customized. And because vertical lines naturally pull your eyes upward, the setup also feels taller visually. One reason these became popular online is because they can completely transform a wall without major construction. And that one upgrade instantly makes the bedroom feel more styled, more complete, and more high-end. Hack number 2, shelf styling trends. Now, let's move to your shelves, because this is where things can quickly start looking organized or a little too busy. In the before setup, the floating shelves already have books, plants, and ceramic decor. But because too many items are grouped closely together, the shelves feel crowded, so your eyes keep jumping from one object to another. Instead of highlighting the decor, everything starts competing for attention. So here's what changed. Some decor pieces were removed, leaving only a few intentional items like stacked books, greenery, and ceramic accents. Instead of filling every shelf, spacing was added between objects. Now each piece becomes easier to notice, and the shelves instantly feel lighter. Designers usually leave empty space intentionally because not every area needs to be filled. That breathing space actually helps important pieces stand out more. And that simple adjustment instantly makes shelves feel more styled, more intentional, and more expensive. Hack number 3, removable wallpaper. Next, let's move to the wall behind your headboard, because this is usually one of the first areas people notice when they enter your bedroom. In the before setup, the bed area already has furniture, decor, and layered bedding. But because the wall behind the bed stays flat, the room still feels visually empty. The bed becomes the focal point naturally, but the wall behind it isn't helping support it. So, the bed area lacks depth and visual layering. So, here's what changed. A soft, textured, removable wallpaper was added behind the headboard. Instead of one flat wall, the texture now creates subtle shadows and movement. Now the wall feels more connected with the wood finishes, furniture, and even the nearby window area because the texture becomes more noticeable once natural light hits the surface. This works especially well in bedrooms, TV walls, and rental spaces where permanent changes are difficult. One reason removable wallpaper became popular is because it creates a big visual change without repainting or major work. And that single change instantly makes the room feel more polished and more complete. Hack number 4, mirror expansion. Now, moving on to your sidewall, because this is one area people usually forget, but it can make your room feel larger or tighter. In the before setup, one side wall stays completely plain, but because it doesn't contribute visually, the room feels narrower. And when long walls remain empty, they can sometimes make compact spaces feel boxed in. So the room misses an opportunity to create more visual depth. So here's what changed. A full-height tinted mirror panel was added beside the bed. Instead of a blank wall, the mirror now reflects natural light coming from the window across it, along with furniture and surrounding details. Now, sunlight bounces across the mirror surface, making the room feel brighter, visually larger, and more open. Designers usually place mirrors where they reflect cleaner views and lighting instead of clutter, because what a mirror reflects becomes part of the design too, and that instantly makes smaller rooms feel more open and more premium. Hack number 5. Pegboard storage walls. Now, let's talk about storage, because if your desk starts getting crowded, your entire study corner starts feeling different too. In the before setup, accessories and desk items stay directly on the tabletop, but because everything stays on the desk surface, the setup starts feeling crowded. Even small objects like pens, notebooks, and accessories slowly eat up usable space. So the study corner starts losing usable space and becomes harder to use daily. So here's what changed. A pegboard organizer was installed above the desk. Hooks, shelves, and storage trays now move storage vertically instead of using desk space. Now the study area feels cleaner and easier to use while still blending naturally with the bedroom setup. And because pegboards can be rearranged anytime, the setup stays flexible as your needs change. This works especially well in bedroom study corners and compact setups where every inch matters. That instantly makes the area feel more organized and intentional. Hack number 6. LED strip lighting. And finally, let's talk about lighting, because this is usually the detail that pulls everything together at night. In the before setup, the room already has ceiling lighting and a warm ring floor lamp, so there's already some lighting variation happening in the space. Everything becomes visible, but certain features don't stand out as much as they could. So even with existing lighting, the room still lacks stronger visual layering and depth. So here's what changed. Warm LED strip lighting was added below shelves, inside storage cubbies, and behind the mirror. Instead of one light source, multiple soft light layers now highlight key areas. Now the shelves, mirror, and workspace details stand out more clearly. Designers usually hide LED strips so the glow feels softer and more premium. This also helps create subtle highlights and shadows around the room. And once you add that extra layer of lighting, your room instantly feels more customized, more polished, and much more high-end. And now you can probably see that making a bedroom feel more expensive isn't always about buying bigger furniture or spending more money. Sometimes it's the smaller details that create the biggest difference. Because once you start layering textures, improving lighting, creating focal points, and organizing things more intentionally, your room starts feeling more complete. So if you had to pick just one from these 6 bedroom hacks, which one would you try first in your own room? Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.